Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City right now at the Borgata Hotel and Casino. Gonna check out a room. I think I'm on the 37th floor. It's been a while since I've been to the Borgata, or at least stayed at the Borgata. Last time I was here I stayed at the MGM Tower. So let's go upstairs and see what the room looks like. Shall we? If the Bronco looked familiar, it's because I did a walk around about 2 weeks ago here on the New York channel. Just no tours or anything, just spending an evening walking around, checking out the casino, the restaurants, the lounges, and things like that. That video is available here on the New York channel, as well as the pools. I just did the pools of the Borgata not too long ago as well. This video, however, is all about the room, and it's been a while since I've stayed at the Borgata, and I wanted to see if the rooms have changed at all. I'm not expecting too many changes. Last time I stayed here, it was at the MGM Tower. So again, it's been quite a while since I stayed at the Borgata Tower. So let's go upstairs and check it out. Since I've stayed at the MGM Tower, I really do like the rooms there as well as the tower itself. It's a lot more brighter and cheerful than the Borgata Tower, which is kind of dark and dreary and starting to show its age a little bit. If you did miss that pool video last week, there are like 5 pools here, including the ones at the MGM Tower. There's 2 gyms as well as a spa, and all those were covered on that video. I did a quick check on the channel, and it's been just a little bit over a year since I stayed here at the Borgata, and of course the room still looks the same. I'm not sure when the last time these rooms were renovated, if they've been renovated at all, but I've been coming here for years now and everything is pretty much the same. The place opened in 2003, making it a little over 20 years old, and I'm going to go out on a limb here and say it's not been renovated since. And as you'll see as we walk around, there's a little bit of wear and tear on pretty much everything. That being said, the Borgata is still considered a high-end hotel and casino here in Atlantic City. You definitely get that vibe when you're walking around downstairs with the lobby and the restaurants and the casino. Really a nice place. And when you come upstairs here, like I said, a little bit worn down, but you still get that luxury feel. But of course you have a choice. You can ask for a room in the MGM Tower. Everything there is newly renovated and you still get all that ambiance that's downstairs as well. And speaking of choices, for the record, this room was booked online. It was comped. I did ask for a king room and surprise, surprise, I got 2 queens. I just found out now when I walked into the room. No big deal for me though. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the videos, don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel and give the videos a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Most importantly, please share them on your social media. It really does get me new viewers and new subscribers, and I really do appreciate that. Thanks for your support, guys. Between all the drawers and the closet space, there's plenty of storage here in the room. I've done quite a bit of traveling this summer between Las Vegas and southern Florida, and I'm heading over to New Orleans in a couple of weeks. But in between, I've been coming here to Atlantic City, and I'm bringing you some new content coming very shortly from this exciting city, and lots to see and do here, and new stuff coming to the channel soon. I'm just trying to mix things up a little bit. I don't want to become the Las Vegas channel or the Atlantic City channel. I just like to mix things up. I have a good time doing that, and I think you enjoy watching it that way as well. A little of everything. As you guys know, there's two buffets here in town, the Borgata as well as the Hard Rock. I haven't been to either of them in well over a year. I think it's time that I visit both of them again shortly. Of course, those videos will be on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. I really want to try that Hard Rock seafood buffet again as well. This is a MGM property, and they've done away with all their little travel-size soaps and lotions and shampoos and stuff quite a while ago. Now they just have the refilled bottles. And I always thought that it was kind of odd that for a hotel the caliber of Borgata, it only has one sink, and that's always a hassle when you're traveling with others. And I do believe there's room for another one in here. No tub in the bathroom, but a nice shower, walk-in shower with a built-in seat. I do like built-in seats in showers, not because I like to sit down while I'm showering, but I just think I can get my feet cleaner that way. Perhaps I'm sharing too much information. As always guys, if you'd like to support the New York channel, then just click on that thanks button right underneath this video. Doing so will not only help support the channel, but it will get you a shout out on an upcoming video. As always, I do appreciate your support. Thanks guys.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm yours.